Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just going to jump right in. We're going to DIY some doll boots. I've never done it before. I did watch a few tutorials and when I watch tutorials I usually watch a few of them and put together the pieces that I want, and like I said before, go rogue. So here we go. I just took her feet and put them on a piece of paper and traced around them, and then I used that pattern to trace on the fabric. And then I also cut out a piece of cardboard for each one, but somehow that didn't make the cut. But anyway, I've got the piece of fabric, the white piece of fabric cut out of her, the foot pattern. And then I have a piece of cardboard cut out of the foot pattern. Now on the legs, I'm just tracing around and sewing around where I traced. And then I'm going to cut it out, if that makes sense. One of the main tips they gave in the tutorial was to use a fabric that stretches, and this is fleece, and it worked really well. I'm so disappointed this wasn't recording, but all I did was glue the cardboard to the bottom of the boot, and I bent it backwards. I think you saw me do where I bent this backwards, and then I glued this on top and cut two little pieces of fur and glued it around the boot. I was looking for something that would kind of look like a shoe sole, and what better thing to look like a shoe sole than a shoestring.